Every single one of us wants to be successful. Doesn't matter if you're a man, woman, doesn't matter how old you are, we all want to be successful in life. And we're all gonna have different definitions of what success is, but if you actually look at it in the dictionary, it basically just means to accomplish any aim or purpose. Now, for most of us, that's gonna be financial freedom, being well off financially. We're gonna have different levels. Some of us are gonna wanna be like Elon Musk and have $1 billion+. And some of us just want to be able to enjoy the time with our family and not have to worry about bills, rent, and other stuff like that. Can go to a restaurant and spend as much as we like. But for this video, basically what I'm going to sum this up for men, to be successful, let's be realistic. We want to be the best versions of ourselves. That means we want to be in great shape physically, mentally, spiritually. We want to be well off financially. And I'm going to explain to you how you can do this as easily as possible with 2 key things. Now, these key things, I'm not saying I'm a 100% expert in this, but what I'm saying is if you do these 2 things, life will become a lot easier and you'll start attracting the success you want rather than chasing it all the time. And it's gonna make your life 10 times easier. And these 2 things are something that are gonna occur in every single interaction you have. Every time you step outside the house, this is gonna play a role in your success. So, I'm gonna give you a couple examples from my life and my experiences as well, just so you know I'm not just on this talking about theory. The first one is you have to be in good shape. You don't have to be a bodybuilder. You don't have to be absolutely massive on steroids. All you need to be is in good physical condition. You're a lower body fat percentage. You clearly take care of yourself and respect your body. And this is gonna make others respect you. And it's gonna open doors for you in life that you never thought existed. And a lot of you may be listening to this and you may be out of shape thinking, oh, who's this guy just telling me to get in shape? Fuck him. Guys, I've lived both sides of the coin. I've been out of shape, I've been skinny, and I've been in shape. And people treat you differently when you take care of yourself and you respect yourself and you take care of your appearance. You don't earn respect just by being in shape, but it opens the door for respect. So there's really no excuse not to have a decent physique. Building muscle and losing fat is not complicated. I have tons of videos on my channel explaining how you can do this. The process is simple. You're just really not willing to put in the work if you're out of shape. 3 to 4 hours a week in the gym and just a flexible diet, you can get in shape very, very easily. And the second one, basically this whole video is about communication, what you are communicating to the world. When you're in shape, you're communicating that you deserve respect. You respect yourself, you respect your body, you take care of yourself, and others are going to be more likely to respect you. The second one is all about communication. And what I recommend every single man does, every single young man, old man, whatever it is get a sales job where you talk to people face to face. This is something I did for 3 summers. I worked a tourism job where I sold tourist attractions. I spoke to around 100 to 400 people every single day, looking them straight in the eyes and learning about human behavior, psychology, and how people respond. And you can start to learn about what people really think. Doesn't matter what they say, it's about what they really think of you. And this is one of the key aspects, because you have to think that every single time you leave the house, not only are people looking at you, judging you, whether you like it or not, people are looking at you, and they're gonna basically give you a level of status without you even speaking. So being in shape opens a door, but if you're in shape and you don't know how to communicate to people, you don't know how to speak, you don't know how to hold a conversation, you can't maintain eye contact, you are gonna lose respect immediately. So that's what I mean by it opens the door. So getting a sales job where you're constantly talking to people, not only is it gonna make you comfortable, but you're gonna be able to progress a lot faster than other people. Most people nowadays don't even leave the house that often. They don't have many social interactions. So getting a sales job is absolutely necessary, because it doesn't matter if you're trying to build a personal brand, it doesn't matter if you're trying to date a girl, it doesn't matter if you're trying to get a business opportunity. It's all about how you communicate, physically and verbally as well. So if you're a young man, the best thing you can do is start working out immediately. Don't focus on the end result, because it's gonna take a while. It's gonna take months. It's gonna take potentially even years depending on your goal. Focus on the daily habits and the man you're gonna become because of those habits. And secondly, get a sales job where you talk to people face to face. Talking to people over the phone, great. Yes, it's gonna help a lot in terms of your communication, but looking people dead in the eyes and trying to have a conversation, figure out what they want, what their problem is, the solution they need, and if you can help them, is gonna help you tenfold in every single interaction you have. And it's gonna make you very, very comfortable in any situation. It doesn't matter who you're meeting. It doesn't matter if you're meeting a girlfriend's parents for the first time. It doesn't matter if you're meeting a business opportunity, you're looking to sell something. Every single interaction you have is gonna become tenfold easier. And I can give you a few examples of this. I worked that sales job for a few summers when I was younger, in my early 20s. Now I'm 27. Last year, I wanted to quit my 9-to-5 and I wanted to pursue making money online. So I got a job as an appointment setter, which basically means I was calling up leads and trying to get them to jump on a call with a salesperson. On this call, because of my communication, I then got poached by a high ticket closing position for a company that was selling software. I had an interview with them, and the first thing they noticed about me was that I was in shape and I took care of myself, plus I could communicate. That got me the job as a high ticket closer a week into appointment setting. So basically I was able to do something, level up to the next role, the next position. It takes most people 6 months, but because I was in shape and I could communicate, which is rare these days because most guys just become gym bros and dumb bodybuilders, I was able to progress a lot faster. So it is absolutely essential that you don't just focus on your appearance or your communication. You have to understand that your appearance, the way you look, is also a form of communication as well. And it's going to play a huge role in the opportunities you were given on a day-to-day basis. So sum this video up, guys. Get jacked. Learn how to speak to people. Learn how to interact. Learn how to read people, learn about human psychology, and the best way to do that, you can read all the books you want, and those are going to help. Those are going to be great tools to give you different perspectives. But the best thing you can do is actually implement and experience, and that's how you're going to learn the fastest.